I enjoy watching Chinese movies, even though I don't understand what they say. The only thing that helps me is that I turn on my closed captions and they are translated in English. So today I'm going to teach you how to add two languages to your closed captions on Inshot. So let's get into it. Open your Inshot app. If you don't have Inshot, you can go to the Play Store and download it. You can see this is how it looks like on the Play Store. When you open it, just click on video. When you click on video, you see this option. Click on plus because you are going to add a new video. So select the video and check it down here. Now if you want to also add a photo, you can click on all to bring out photos and videos. Now let's allow the it to load so that we can get right into the tutorial. Click on this text, this T option that is shown. Once you click on it, it will open up like this. Click on this CC, which is closed captions. Now you can choose the audio source to be from your video or maybe a recorded audio, but I'm going to choose it from my video, so I'll just select video. The next one is to choose the language. Now I'm going to turn on this bilingual. So if you turn it on, then you click on this place that you see this small arrow. Now once I click on the place that you see French, yours can be English or whatever. So it will open up to this place where you have to select all the languages. Now two languages are going to be selected. The first one is the one you are using. Like I'm speaking English, then maybe I want to add another language that is like British or Spanish or whatever. Once I selected the one I want, I'll click on this check button up here, to confirm my choice. So you have a lot of languages. You have Hindi, you have Chinese, you have Korean, you have Spanish, French, and a lot of languages. Just select the second one you want. If you want English and Spanish. Now we are going to choose colors and fonts. So the next one is, you can choose either anyone you choose. You can see how it is shown on the screen. Now the only thing you can do is to click on this arrow so that it will expand the whole options for you on this closed caption. Now if you don't want any of this, you can just go out, but once you are done, you click on start. You can see it will be generating for you. Now I'm only showing you this particular video, but if you want any tutorial, especially on Inshot, you can drop a comment in the comment section and I will attend to you and make a video on that topic. While we are waiting for it to finish loading, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos. So once the whole thing is done, you are going to see this option, auto captions generated. Then I'll click on the play button so that I will see what I have. Now you are going to see that we have two languages, English and the second one, which is Spanish. So you can choose French, you can choose two different languages that are not English. It all depends on you. Now if you select any of the text of the closed caption, you can edit it. These two buttons, one is for you to expand it, increase the size. The other one that looks like pen is for editing, which you can edit the text, the font, the color, and all of that. So I'm just going to edit it. Now if you click on apply to CC, it means that your edit will apply to all or one. So I want to explain these options for you. If you click on this X, you will go out. Click on the good, you check it. Click on this keyboard for you to edit your text. Click on this for you to choose a color of any of the closed caption. This one is for font, while this two is for animation and editing of the text. So let's edit the font. Now I'm going to choose, there are a lot of options for you to choose. I'm just going to choose this one. Doesn't mean it's my best option, it's just for tutorial sake. Click on this color wheel to choose the label. Now you can choose any color, but make sure the whole thing is legible so that people can read it. So like I said earlier, if you are done, click on the check mark. So I also do the same for the second language, just to make, if you want to make it two different colors, it's up to you. Just click on the edit button as I have already highlighted. Choose the text, the font that you want for this second language, which is Spanish. Once you have chosen it, You can choose whether you want to apply to all the closed captions, which I left my own as checked because I want this edit to apply to everything. So once I'm done, I will click on this good mark, this one here that I'm showing you, and all these settings will be what saved, and all my closed caption will be the same color, so you can see how it is. This is exactly how you will see it. So it's a very easy tutorial or easy thing to do if you follow these steps. So next one is to export it. Just click on export and you can choose the size 4K, 2K, 1080, 360, depending on where you are sharing it. The platform that you want to share your videos on will depend on the size of the resolution you are choosing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment question. Don't forget to like this video. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe and support my work, and follow for more. You can share it with any of your contacts that needs this tutorial. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.